welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about electricity chapters numerical of a first example. Right, a first example what is given here of current of 0.5 ampere. Okay, so current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of electric bulb. Right, one bulb is there and that filament of the bulb is using how much current? It's a 0.5 ampere current is used by that filament of a bulb. For how many minutes? For 10 minutes it is using. Correct? An electric bulb is there that using a 0.5 of current, and for how many minutes? For 10 minutes. And then you have to find the amount of electric charges, and you have to find the amount of electric charges flowing through the circuit. This is the question. Okay. Solution. First, from this question what we have understood, first they are given current symbol is what? I. So 0.5. Here A is what? SI is the SI unit of current is what? Ampere, and denoted by which letter? A. So here current SI unit is what? Ampere. Ampere it is denoted by which letter? A. Right? This is about current. And what they are given here? Time. T is equal to how much? 10 minutes. Correct? So always whenever they will given time in minutes, you have to convert in what? Seconds. So we know that 1 minute is equal to how many seconds are there? 60 seconds are there. Correct? 1 minute contain how many seconds? 60 seconds are there. So how many minutes total here? 10. 10 into 60 means how much it will be? Is equal to 600 seconds. Correct? So this time will be converted into seconds. So 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So total how many minutes is there? 10. So 10 into 60 means how many seconds are there? 600 seconds. 600 seconds. Correct? 600 seconds. Next, what we have to find here? Charge. Q is equal to how to find. Again, we can once know that. You can know that. So what is the charge? Charge is what? Again, having the symbol of what? Coulomb. And SI unit of charge is what? Coulomb. Right? SI unit of current is ampere, and SI unit of charge is what? Coulomb. Right? It is denoted by C letter. Okay. Next, again we are knowing that formula is of what current? I is equal to Q by T is the formula. So what is the formula here? I is equal to Q by T. Correct? So current formula is what? I is equal to Q by T. So now this current formula is what? I is equal to Q by T. So now we are knowing current, we are knowing, and time we are knowing, but we don't know the charge. That is only how to find here. Integrate the formula here. This T will be multiplied with what will becomes here. So Q is equal to I into T. Correct? So because we have to find the charge, so it's multiply. This division is there. This will come this side. Means it will become what? Multiplication. So our formula is now what? I is equal to Q into T. So here Q is equal to. So what is the I value? 0.5. Correct? I value is what? 0.5. And into time is how many seconds? 600 seconds. Correct? 600 seconds. So here how can we calculate this? 1 0 and 1 point will cancel, means so what will remain here? 5 into 60 will be remaining. Correct? So here 60 into 5 is how much? 300. So correct? How many charges are flowing? For 10 minutes means how many charges? 300 charges are flowing through the circuit, and they use how much current? 0.5 ampere of current they are using. So this is about the what? First problem of electricity chapter. Right? This is about what? First chapter of first electricity numerical. So in next video we will discuss about another topic or another question of this same electricity chapter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.